Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the new F22. So let's begin here with the box itself. You can see very good package. We have fitness tracker, health monitoring, step pedometer, stopwatch and other function. We have sleep monitoring, SMS and heart rate monitoring. These are some of the options that we have in the F22. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing. You can see immediately it reveals the watch itself. Very good package and quality of the watch as well. Let's put this aside and see what we got underneath. Here we will find the charger itself wrapped up for protection as usual, and we have the user manual in Chinese, English and German, Spanish as well. So we have 4 languages, which is a little bit better. So let's power on the F22. You can see we have a very good display. Here we have time, date, percentage of battery, steps, heart rate and other information, which we can change the face as well. That is a benefit. In the left we have notifications. Up we have the taskbar with percentage of battery, time, and we have here some shortcuts. So starting from the brightness, which we can lower or raise the brightness in case we need so. You can see in this way you raise your brightness. We have stopwatch and the sports as well, settings or power off. These are just a couple of shortcuts. You can see this is the timer and the settings, as I mentioned before. In the settings, as you can see, we have a couple of things that we will see later. Down we have heart rate, steps, sports, we have stopwatch, and the more or the settings. Here we have camera brightness, weather, theme. As you can see, we have 3 different faces that we can change. And again, at the bottom, we don't have anything else. So this is the software of the F22. Let's begin with some tests, starting from the heart rate, which is the first option here. Let's see how fast this smartwatch will measure our heart rate. As you can see, we have the first result, which is fast enough. And we have the final result, 83, and as you always, these results will be saved in the app. We have here a couple of sports, as you can see, like usual, but we have plenty of them right now. The first one was run. You can see sometimes the F22 doesn't work that good. I'm not sure why. We have here time, calorie, heart rate and steps. These are only 4 options that we have in this watch, and the screen timing is not so good. We have the blood pressure as well here. As I was saying, the screen timing, it's not so good. It shut down immediately, which is annoying. You can see blood pressure is measuring. Let's see how fast the result will be out. You can see the first result immediately here, and that is the final result as well. We have next the blood oxygen. Let's see the percentage that this will show us. You can see now we have the result fast enough. So these are the options that we have in the F22, guys. Thank you very much for your time and support. If you find this video interesting and helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart device.